Houston, Texas. The group here is off the hook. They're awesome. We just broke for lunch. Lunch is over. Hope everyone had a good lunch. I think they did. Looked like they did. We're in Houston, so we have like the barbecue brisket style. And when we were in San Antonio, you know, it was like the Southwest, the Mexican style, right? And when we were in Dallas, we had like a farmer's table kind of flavor going there, right? And then we had barbecue brisket. My people right here. And then, and I think, you know, because we had that barbecue brisket, I think that, and there was like dessert too, so I'm thinking that all these people are gonna be tired now. They're gonna be like a sugar crash from all the desserts, and they probably had like rolls and stuff, so they're all tired. I don't know what I'm gonna do to wake them up. I don't know, man. A lot of people turned out and gave up their Saturday to come out here, man. I'm just like so grateful and humbled that they came out for the 100 Towns tour, the Insurance Restoration Masterclass. They came. No matter how their Friday night went, the Saturdays are always money days. But anyway, I don't know, man. What are we going to do to get you guys livened up, man? Because I know you had that big lunch, you know, desserts and everything. Can I get a shout out? What's up? What's up, Houston? Houston, right here, giving up their Saturdays on a money day. Grinding, baby.